Hello everyone, I'm Sam, and I have a degree in computer science with a focus on artificial intelligence. So, got to use my degree for college. Anyways, just was reading this article in Fox Business News that popped up in my Google Alerts here. It says here that AI interviews will be used by 43% of companies by next year, survey finds. So, the job market has been very tough on many people nowadays, and just trying to get ahead here. But not only will artificial intelligence replace workers, they're even replacing the recruiters. So, I mean, that could be a good thing for some and a bad thing for others. Because while recruiters often super rely on their software, which is called ATS, which a lot of people hate because it's gotten us to that apply to thousands of companies but never get a response type thing. Well, it this might make it worse or better, because then AI will not, unless you make it that AI will look for unique, you know, unique people or resumes or whatever have you, it might pass it over. So, well, let's read the article here. Because, well, if you've not been on the internet, the tool like ChatGPT and Google Bard has been a talk for a few months now. I just taught my mom how to use ChatGPT like yesterday, so it's filtering to the masses here. But a lot of the worry is that AI will replace jobs. So right now it says here, a recent survey conducted by Resume Builder found only 10% of companies currently using AI interviews, but 43% plan on eventually utilizing the bots, in hiring practices. So they believe that two-thirds of them believe that adding AI to human resources will improve efficiency. It says there's some hope for a non-pure AI. It says here 80% is they're only going to use to screen out qualified candidates, but only 15% will use AI to actually make the final decision. So there's that. And as the article points out, AI tools can be biased.
Mrs. Obama, I've done it. I've stopped racism. Thank you.
So, as again, the worry here is the ATS or applicant tracking system will rule out candidates, but also that people will be discouraged by when they're interviewed by a robot. So, since talking to an AI will be a new thing, there'll be like hacks and workarounds and all those things that you will not find with a human interviewer. You can trick some humans into doing something, but it'll be a different kind of trick for AI. Like, the strategy to, go to a business and to talk to a recruiter directly, or, look up information about a recruiter in LinkedIn. That strategy will be gone when there's AI at the forefront. So it'll be harder that way. So, yeah, as it says here, it could just go that they will actually eliminate some great candidates, or it will actually help. Most likely it'll be 50-50. The people who know how AI acts will be the ones who will get ahead in this coming job market. So there's my thoughts on that. And so right now, what you can do to prepare is look up all the ChatGPT hacks, as I said. Like, there are prompts and all that not so you can trick the AI, but just understanding how AI can be taken advantage of. But taking advantage is not honest. So, you just gotta know how AI works in order to, to deal with it. Or, try to get a job before AI HR becomes commonplace.
Bruh.
And HR also may have worries on if they're gonna be replaced. Well, if there are redundant things, they will be replaced by AI. So I would say understand how it works so you know how to deploy it before anyone else would, And yeah, the worst thing would be this will just really encourage all the infinite resume applications. And there'll be instead of just infinite resume applications, there'll be infinite interviews that never get anywhere. That is the worst thing I can think of. So yeah, that's my thoughts.